Hello and to maths. This is my fifth lesson, D1 chapter 11, exercise 11C. That is about the interior and exterior angles of the regular polygons. These lessons I am making on special request of my junior students, but they are equally important for my senior O-level students, those who have to go for O-level examination, because this topic and these questions are important part of CIE O-level maths syllabus D papers. So both seniors and junior students can get benefit from these lessons. Let's go to the question. The questions are long, so I've written the questions in short form. First read and understand the question. In the figure, A, B, C, D, E, F is the part of n-sided regular polygon. Okay, n-sided regular polygon. Okay, each of the exterior angles of the polygon is of measure 36 degrees. We have to find the value of n, then we have to find angle BDE, and then the last requirement is to find angle CXD. I will be discussing each part one by one, and I will be going really slow during these lessons, because these lessons I'm making especially for class 6 students. At this stage, students are too young to comprehend these all situations, so don't mind if the lesson goes long, okay? And do not miss any part of the lesson, because during the lesson I will be giving you different tips how to perform the calculations mentally, because most of the questions of this exercise are coming in paper 1 where calculator is not allowed. So I'll be telling you how to make your calculation easy. Okay, let's try to understand the question that A, B, C, D, E and F is a part of n-sided regular polygon. Regular polygon, what do we mean by the term regular polygon? So if you recall my previous lessons, you can understand that regular polygon is a polygon in which all the sides and all the angles are of equal measure. It means A to B, B to C, C, D, D, E and E, F. Whatever length students they will be having, but that will be of equal measure, and the size of each interior angle will also be same. And we are given with size of one exterior angle. We are given with size of one exterior angle. Suppose if I am making the exterior angle at this place, this is of measure 36 degrees. Okay, and now what is the requirement of question? The first requirement is we have to find value of n, where n stands for the number of sides. So what we have to do, we know that the formula for the number of sides when exterior angle is given to us. Okay, one exterior angle multiplied by number of sides equals to 360 degrees, a very useful formula. One exterior angle has the value 36 degrees multiplied by n, which is the number of sides, which is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, in order to get value of n, 360 divided by 36, 36 ones are and zeros are. So n, the first requirement of the question is n equals to 10, number of sides. Recall the shape which has 10 sides. What's the name of that shape? That is I hope decagon. Okay, so it means that this diagram is a part of the decagon. Okay, and now the second requirement of the question is that we have to find B, D and E angle. B, D and E angle. This angle we need to find. Let me make a sketch. We always have to make the diagram for the reference and understanding of the question and the examiner. Okay, B, D and E. B, D and E. If you look at angle D, this is not the complete angle D. Agreed? Okay. because we do not know about this portion. Angle is ending at this place. If we have this complete term, that is understood, that is one of the interior angles of the decagon. But in order to find BDE angle, BD, some portion of angle D is in students, which part of the diagram? B, C and D. That is in B, C and D triangle, and we do not know about this angle. But if we recall that this diagram is the part of the regular decagon, so we can find the size of one interior angle of that regular decagon. And then what we are going to do is that we have to find this angle with the help of that, and that angle will have to be subtracted from the interior angle. So let me go to the solution of this question. Second part is BDE. BD and E. So students, in order to find BD and E, which angle I am going to find first? So for all, I have to take BCD triangle. B, C and D triangle, and I have to find one interior angle of this triangle. So BCD will be equal to what? BCD will be equal to what? We know that interior and exterior are adjacent with each other. So as this angle is of Meyer 36 degrees, so BCD will be equal to, BC and D will be equal to 180 minus 36, 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 minus 3 is 4, 144 degrees. So it means this interior angle is of Meyer 144 degrees. Clear? Now second important point, that this is the regular polygon. So these two sides will be equal, and they will be making isosceles triangle. If I am supposing this angle is y, this angle will also be y. Now y plus 144 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees, sum of interior angles of the polygon. 2y equals to 180 minus 144. This is 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 4 is 3, 36 degrees. 2y, and y has to be 36 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 18s are, y is 18 degrees. Y is 18 degrees. So it means angle CB and D, or CDB equals to what? Which is equal to y, and which is equal to 18 degrees. And now in order to find BDE angle, now BD and E angle will be equal to your CDE, that is 144 degrees, CDE minus BDC or CDB, CD and B, CDB, then that is 144 minus 18, and that will give me 14 minus 8 is 6, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 126 degrees. I hope students you are clear that how we are finding BDE. Let me once again make this point clear to my students, that I need to find BDE, this angle. I need to find this angle. Now first I should have this complete angle with me. That is the interior angles of the decagon, and that has the value total 144 degrees. And now I need to have this angle which is the part of the isosceles triangle BCD. So, and that we have calculated in the previous part, that is 18 degrees Meyer. And now this total angle is Meyer 144, and then I have to take away 18 from that, and I'll resolve my issue. And then third problem is CXD angle. Third problem of the question is CX and D. First focus your attention where CXD is. CX and D. CX and D, this is my CD line, and when I'm extending, they're meeting at point X. So in order to get CDX angle, what we are going to do is that we can see that this portion of angle C, this portion of angle C we have calculated over here, that is what, 18 degrees, that is 18 degrees. And again this portion of angle D, yes, this is 18 degrees, 18 degrees students, okay. And now we know the sum of interior angles of triangle, and this is the requirement of the question, CXD. CXD. So what we are going to do is that 18 in triangle CXD, angle C plus angle D plus angle X equals to 180 degrees. Angle C is of Meyer 18 degrees. D again is of Meyer 18 degrees. And X we do not know, equals to 180 degrees. This will give me 36 plus X equals to 180 degrees. X equals to 180 minus 36. 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 minus 3 is 4, 144 degrees. So CXD equals to 144 degrees. I hope students you are really clear that how we are making the use of the exterior angle in finding number of sides, and how we are making the use of the relationship between interior and exterior angles. Please watch and understand these all lessons properly for better understanding of the next lessons, and to secure good grades in your O-level examinations. Do not forget to press a bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.